Hi guys, we're here today to show you how simple it is to install the Aqualuma Thru-Hull lights. The first part of the process is to choose which one of Aqualuma's lights suits your vessel the best. For this particular install, which is an 88-foot alloy motor yacht, the owner has chosen to install 1018 series in blue. In the packaging, you will find the instruction manual. Please read, as this will state the hole size and wiring instructions for the corresponding series of lights that you have chosen. Next, determine the position of the lights, taking into account any obstacles inside the vessel. Now mark the positions on the hull. Drill a pilot hole and re-inspect inside the hull for clearances. You are now ready to drill the holes for fitment. Sand off the anti-foul or bottom paint in the sealing area. Now you are ready to install the lights. Unbox and remove the nut. Do not disassemble the light. Feed the cable through the hull and trial fit the light. Apply a generous amount of below water sealant to the inside flange of the housing. Slide the light into the hull. Twist a little to ensure complete sealant coverage. The up decal must be positioned correctly. The second person inside the hull can now hand tighten the nut. Clean off the excess sealant. You are now ready to wire up your underwater lights. As you have seen, the installation process of the Aqualuma underwater lights is a simple one. You are now ready to join the thousands of boat owners around the world enjoying their Aqualuma experience.